and Sankachuda. One night, Lord Krishna and Balram went to their favorite spot on the banks of the Yamuna. While Krishna played the flute, his friends, the gopis, and even the cows ran to the banks of the river. As they all danced around Lord Krishna, a demon named Sankachuda happened to be passing by. He was charmed by the beauty of the gopis and quietly carried some of them away. But the gopis cried out, "Krishna, save us! This demon is taking us away." Immediately, Lord Krishna and Balram started chasing Sankachuda. The demon had heard about Lord Krishna. Frightened, he left the gopis and fled for his life. In no time, Krishna overtook him and gave him a blow on his head. Sankachuda died on the spot. Lord Krishna took out a jewel crest from his chest and presented it to Balram to wear. The gopis thanked Lord Krishna for saving their lives. Lord Krishna outwits Brahma. One day, Lord Krishna was in the meadows with his cowherd friends and their calves. They were playing pranks on one another, and the calves slipped away into the forest. "Where are our calves?" one of the cowherds suddenly exclaimed. Lord Krishna said, "Dear friends, do not worry. I will go and look for the calves." While he was searching for the calves, Brahma, the god of creation, decided to play a trick on them. He put the cowherds into a deep sleep and transported them along with the calves into a cave. When Lord Krishna returned, he realized at once what had happened. So he created the cowherds and the calves from his multiple selves and took them home. Brahma went to Vrindavan gleefully to see the result of his trick, and he was amazed to see the cowherds and the calves with Lord Krishna. When Lord Krishna revealed what he had done, Brahma started to see multiple figures of him instead of the cows and the cowherds. Agasura becomes angry. Aga was a mighty demon. Even the denizens of heaven were afraid of him. Lord Krishna had destroyed Bakasura and Putana. Agasura was their younger brother and he was thirsting for revenge. So Kansa fueled the fire of revenge further by encouraging Agasura to kill Krishna. "Krishna killed your sister Putana in the most pitiless manner. Do you know how much pain she must have suffered?" said Kansa. Agasura became enraged to hear this. "And do not forget your brother Bakasura, who attacked Lord Krishna in the form of a crane. Krishna destroyed him as well," evil Kansa added. By now, the grieving demon could not control his anger. "I swear to avenge the death of my brother and sister," Agasura vowed. Evil Kansa smiled. His purpose had been served. Agasura would now aim for revenge. Kansa hoped the demon would succeed in killing Krishna. Agasura becomes a mighty serpent. Aga, the demon, planned to kill Lord Krishna, so he learnt a black magic spell called Mahima Siddhi for changing forms. Having attained Mahima Siddhi, Agasura changed himself into a massive 8-mile-long serpent with a mouth as large as a mountain-sized cave. Then he lay in wait for the cowherds on their usual route. When the cowherds returned from another excursion led by Lord Krishna, they saw the mighty serpent and sobbed. Agasura lay with his mouth open on their path so that they might not escape him. "What could that be? Is it a cave?" asked the cowherd, even as the others stared. After some discussion, the cowherd entered the serpent's mouth. They knew that if they faced any problem, Lord Krishna would save them. Lord Krishna knew that the mighty serpent was a demon. However, as he stood thinking, he saw his friends walking into the mouth of the serpent. Lord Krishna and Agasura. Lord Krishna planned to defeat evil Agasura, who had assumed the shape of a serpent and swallowed the cowherds. "Evil Agasura wants to kill me as well, so I shall walk into his mouth and destroy him instead," decided Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna walked into Agasura's mouth. Seeing this, the gods cried in despair, thinking that Lord Krishna was now finished. The demons cheered happily as they thought that Agasura had now won. Just then, Lord Krishna began to suffocate Agasura from within his throat. Agasura began to feel dazed. He was unable to breathe and soon he suffocated to death. After the demon had died, Lord Krishna and the cowherds came out of the demon's mouth unharmed. Krishna, we knew that you would save us, said the cowherd joyfully. Lord Krishna was happy to see that the cowherds were safe.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.